Question number 21. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? Option A, aluminium, B, copper, C, gold, D, silver. The correct answer is option D, silver. Question number 22. The atomic mass of an element is roughly equal to the sum of its option A, protons and electrons, B, electrons and neutrons, C, protons and neutrons, D, protons and isotopes. The correct answer is option C, protons and neutrons. Question number 23. Which of the following substances is a base? Option A, HCl, B, NaOH, C, H2SO4, D, CO2. The correct answer is option B, NaOH. Question number 24. What is the common name for CH3OH? Option A, methanol, B, ethanol, C, propanol, D, butanol. The correct answer is option A, methanol. Question number 25. Which of the following elements is a transition metal? Option A, sodium, B, magnesium, C, iron, D, sulfur. The correct answer is option C, iron. Question number 26. What is the oxidation state of oxygen in most compounds? Option A, 0, B, +1, C, -1, D, -2. The correct answer is option D, -2. Question number 27. Which type of chemical bond involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms? Option A, ionic bond, B, covalent bond, C, metallic bond, D, hydrogen bond. The correct answer is option B, covalent bond. Question number 28. Which of the following is a property of acids? Option A, taste better, B, feel slippery, C, turn litmus paper red, D, conduct electricity. The correct answer is option C, turn litmus paper red. Question number 29. What is the main constituent of vinegar? Option A, citric acid, B, acetic acid, C, hydrochloric acid, D, lactic acid. The correct answer is option B, acetic acid. Question number 30. Which element is used as a filament in light bulbs? Option A, copper, B, aluminium, C, tungsten, D, silver. The correct answer is option C, tungsten. Question number 31. What is the term for a solution that can resist change in pH? Option A, solvent, B, solute, C, buffer, D, indicator. The correct answer is option C, buffer. Question number 32. Which of the following is an example of a homogeneous mixture? Option A, sand and water, B, oil and water, C, air, D, salad. The correct answer is option C, air. Question number 33. What is the chemical formula for ammonia? Option A, NH3, B, NH4, C, NO3, D, N2H4. The correct answer is option A, NH3. Question number 34. Which process describes the conversion of a solid directly into a gas? Option A, condensation, B, evaporation, C, sublimation, D, diffusion. The correct answer is option C, sublimation. Question number 35. What is the main purpose of a catalyst in chemical reaction? Option A, increase the temperature, B, increase the pressure, C, speed up the reaction, D, change the products. The correct answer is option C, speed up the reaction. Question number 36. Which of the following molecules is a nonpolar? Option A, H2O, B, CO2, C, NH3, D, HCl. The correct answer is option B, CO2. Question number 37. What is the term for the smallest particle of a chemical element that return its chemical properties? Option A molecule, B atom, C ion, D compound. The correct answer is option B atom. Question number 38. Which type of bond is formed by the complete transfer of electrons from one atom to another? Option A covalent bond, B ionic bond, C metallic bond, D hydrogen bond. The correct answer is option B ionic bond. Question number 39. What is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid? Option A HCl, B H2SO4, C HNO3, D H3PO4. The correct answer is option B H2SO4. Question number 40. Which process is used to separate a mixture based on the boiling points of its component? Option A filtration, B distillation, C crystallization, D chromatography. The correct answer is option B distillation.